Hello, welcome to the Great Garden channel. To give you more options for caring for your orchids, in today's video, I will share with you an extremely simple organic fertilizer recipe. Using only ingredients readily available in your kitchen, helping your orchids achieve strong, healthy roots, plump and white, green, glossy, and firm leaves, long, vigorous flower spikes with evenly forming buds and vibrant blooms. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe to the channel so you won't miss any useful orchid care tips from Great Garden. Let's get started. The first ingredient I use is tea. Tea is rich in antioxidants, polyphenols, tannins, and a variety of natural minerals which help inhibit bacteria and fungi, while also supporting the plant to boost its immunity and grow healthier. I put 3 tablespoons of tea into a clean glass cup. Next, add about 500 milliliters of hot water so that the active compounds in the tea can be released. Finally, cover the cup and let the solution steep for about 1 hour so the tea infuses thoroughly, creating a nutrient-rich solution ready for use. While waiting, I gently rinse the plant. This step plays a crucial role in activating the roots before adding nutrients. Clean water helps evenly moisten the growing medium, wash away accumulated salts and debris, and create an airy environment for the roots to breathe and carry out metabolism effectively. At the same time, the young root tips are stimulated to become more active, allowing the roots to expand better and increasing their capacity to absorb water and transport nutrients. This ensures that when the organic solution is applied in the next step, the plant can take up nutrients quickly and evenly, minimizing the risk of fertilizer shock or root burn. After 1 hour, I strain out the tea leaves, keeping only the clear liquid. This liquid is exactly what we need. In addition to the English voice, we have now created dubbed voices in French, German, Italian, Spanish, Portuguese, Japanese, Hindi, and Indonesian to help you understand the content more easily. Listen in your preferred language by opening the video and clicking on Settings, the gear icon, to select the appropriate audio language. Next, I use baking soda as the next ingredient. Baking soda contains sodium bicarbonate, which can help stabilize the solution and support pH balance. Then I add 1 tablespoon of baking soda to the prepared tea solution. Finally, stir well to completely dissolve the baking soda, which helps stabilize the solution, balance the pH, and enhance its effectiveness when watering or spraying the plant. I add 1 liter of room temperature water to dilute the solution, helping it reach the right concentration for the orchid to absorb effectively. And that's it. The solution is now ready to use as an organic fertilizer. Let's apply it to your orchid right away. Method 1. First, pour the diluted tea and baking soda solution into a clean cup. Next, use a soft cloth or cotton to soak up the solution and gently wipe each surface of the orchid leaves. Wiping the leaves helps remove dust and residue, improves light absorption for photosynthesis, and reduces bacteria, mold, and pests. Tea contains natural compounds that support cleaning and inhibit microorganisms, while baking soda helps gently balance the pH on the leaf surface, enhancing the protective effect. When wiping, make sure to clean both the upper and lower surfaces of the leaves. Apply this method 1 to 2 times per week then reduce it to once a month to keep the orchid leaves clean, green, and healthy. Method 2. Next, pour the diluted tea and baking soda solution into a watering can and gently water around the base of the orchid. This watering method helps clean the growing medium, balance the root environment, and limit harmful bacteria and fungi. Tea provides natural compounds that support healthier plant growth, while baking soda helps stabilize the pH, creating favorable conditions for the roots to absorb nutrients effectively. Water once a week while the plant is in recovery. Once the orchid becomes stable, reduce it to 1 to 2 times per month. When watering, do it gently and avoid waterlogging to keep the growing medium airy and protect the root system. Method 3. Pour the diluted tea and baking soda solution into a spray bottle, then mist evenly over the entire orchid, including the leaves, stem, roots, and leaf axils. Spraying helps clean the leaf surfaces, stabilize the growing environment, and reduce harmful bacteria and fungi. When spraying, make sure to mist both sides of the leaves to enhance photosynthesis and support healthy growth. Apply once a week during the first month, then reduce to once a month to maintain the results. After spraying, let the plant rest for about 15 minutes to absorb the nutrients. If there is any water left on the leaves or in the leaf axils, gently wipe it off with a soft cloth to prevent fungal diseases and keep the orchid healthy, green, and glossy. The results after 2 months are truly impressive. The orchid leaves turn a deep green, becoming noticeably thicker and glossier. Newly grown young leaves are full of vitality, photosynthesizing efficiently and nourishing the entire plant for healthy new shoot development. The root system develops remarkably well, with many new roots continuously emerging, plump white roots with green tips that firmly anchor to the growing medium. As a result, the plant absorbs water and nutrients more effectively, becoming stronger and more vigorous overall. Flower buds and spikes grow evenly and sturdily, fully prepared for the blooming stage. Buds appear in greater numbers, larger and fuller. Flowers bloom uniformly with bright colors, last longer, and bloom successively, creating a vibrant and lively orchid pot for an extended period. What do you think about this natural orchid care method using tea and baking soda? Have you ever tried this approach in your own orchid garden? Please share your experience in the comments. I'd love to hear your garden stories. This is truly a well-deserved reward for patience and proper care. When orchids are nurtured correctly, they respond with lasting vitality and pure beauty. Enjoy these green moments. If you find the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, subscribe to the Great Garden channel, and turn on the notification bell so you won't miss more simple yet effective orchid care tips. Goodbye for now, and see you again in the next video on the Great Garden channel. Next, Great Garden shares a simple yet highly effective orchid care method you can easily do at home. Tea is the ingredient I use to make organic fertilizer for plants. Tea contains many antioxidants, polyphenols, and tannins, which provide natural antibacterial and antifungal properties, help reduce pests and diseases, and support healthier plants with greener, glossier leaves. I put 2 tablespoons of tea into a clean glass cup. Next, add 500 milliliters of hot water so the active compounds in the tea can dissolve quickly. Then, let the solution steep for about 1 hour so that the beneficial nutrients and compounds in the tea are fully released. After 1 hour, we strain out the residue and keep only the liquid extract. This liquid is a natural, gentle yet mineral-rich nutrient source that helps plants recover quickly and grow steadily. If you want to learn the secret to caring for Phalaenopsis orchids, make sure to watch this video carefully until the end. Your orchids will become strong, grow new roots, and bloom vibrantly all year round. That's it. The solution is now ready to be used as an organic fertilizer. Let's apply it to your orchids right away. Method 1. First, pour the prepared rice water solution into a small cup. Then, use a soft cloth or a cotton pad to gently soak up the solution and carefully wipe each leaf surface of the orchid. As you wipe, the solution helps remove dust, mineral residues, and buildup on the leaves, while the nutrients from the rice support quick recovery, leaving the leaves greener, smoother, and healthier looking. Be sure to wipe both the upper and underside of the leaves so the nutrients can be absorbed evenly, helping the leaves photosynthesize better, strengthen resistance, and reduce pests and diseases. This method should be done 1 to 2 times per week, and is especially effective for orchids with dull leaves, or those that haven't been cared for in a long time. Method 2. I use rice combined with tea to make fertilizer. Rice contains B vitamins, minerals, and starch, natural nutrients that help stimulate root growth, restore weak plants, and keep the leaves healthy and green. I put 3 tablespoons of rice into a clean glass cup. Next, add 500 milliliters of clean water at room temperature. Then stir well so the rice begins to release starch and natural nutrients. This step helps release B vitamins, minerals, and starch from the rice grains, creating a gentle, easily absorbed nutrient solution for the plants. Finally, strain out the solids and keep only the liquid extract. I will combine it with the tea solution prepared earlier. Then add 1 liter of water to dilute the solution. First, I pour the diluted tea and rice solution into a dedicated watering container. Then gently water around the base of the orchid, so the solution slowly soaks into the growing medium, allowing the roots to absorb the nutrients directly. Tea and rice contain many vitamins, minerals, and natural organic nutrients that support strong root development, promote thick white roots, and enhance the plant's resistance. You should water once a week. When the plant has stabilized, reduce to 1 to 2 times per month to maintain nutrients. Be sure to water just enough and avoid waterlogging so the growing medium remains well aerated, and the roots can absorb nutrients most effectively. Method 3. Pour the rice and tea solution into a dedicated spray bottle, then lightly and evenly mist the entire plant, including the leaves, stems, roots, and even the leaf axils, areas where bacteria and fungi tend to accumulate. Misting helps the organic nutrients, vitamins, and natural minerals from the rice, combined with the beneficial compounds in the tea, distribute evenly over all parts of the plant. As a result, the plant is nourished uniformly, forms a natural protective layer, helps inhibit bacteria and mold, and reduces the risk of pest attacks. At the same time, the solution helps make the leaves greener and glossier, enhances photosynthesis, promotes metabolic processes, and supports healthy, balanced growth from roots to leaves. You should apply this once a week during the first month, so the plant can absorb nutrients most effectively. Once the plant becomes stable and healthier, you can reduce it to once a month to maintain long-term nourishment and protection. After 2 months of consistent care, the results are truly surprising. The orchid leaves are now deep green, thick, and glossy. The new leaves are full of vitality and photosynthesize more efficiently, helping the plant remain healthy and stable. The root system has developed noticeably, with thick white roots firmly anchoring to the growing medium. Water and nutrient absorption has improved significantly, providing a strong foundation for both newly planted orchids and mature ones. Flower spikes and buds appear evenly, strong and sturdy, ready for vibrant, fresh, and eye-catching blooms. The buds are large, brightly colored, and long-lasting, with flowers blooming successively, bringing a sense of vitality and joy every day. These results show that with proper care and enough patience, anyone can grow healthy, naturally beautiful orchids that bloom brilliantly. This is truly a well-deserved reward for the love and dedication given to the plants. Enjoy the joy that comes from caring for your orchids every day. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell to join Great Garden in our upcoming videos. Goodbye, and see you again in the next video.